earring set number 4. These guys, who are yet again different, and yet again they have a common thread insofar as that they are copper and they are weird. This pair has a lot more movement. I have named this one, you'll be glad to know, it's called Pearl Bubbles. And what I wanted to reflect with these guys is I wanted to reflect like water bubbling through, bubbling up, the way you see it coming from the sea. And this is reflected in the copper shapes that are surrounding them. The copper shapes are a little bit more protective, while the little pearls are all wrapped up around the main piece. And they look stunning on. That's all I can say to you. These would go really well with either a more kind of official suit. So my English is failing me now, but more of a kind of a work suit to brighten them up and give them a little bit of frivolity and a little bit of femininity. Or you can jazz up your favorite jeans. You know me and my favorite jeans. And a white t-shirt or a white vest in summer. These would really, really be a conversation starter from that point of view. They're really easy to wear, very light, very, very moving, as in, or they move themselves, haha. And they might move you as well. So if they do move you, how's that for a segue? Then the link is in the show notes below. I'm gonna get eventually tired of saying this, but it's worth reminding you after every single set, and that you don't have to wait for me to finish the entire show off if you like a piece. And if you find a piece that you genuinely feel somebody else would like, even if you don't, feel free to share the video with them and then just send them to the right section, so that they don't have to sit and listen to the whole lot. Although I will definitely not be offended if you get them to listen to the whole lot. I don't know how to put this back on. I think this would be it.